to my channel Smart Education Tech. So the today topic is JDK. What is JDK in Java? So let's discuss. Basically JDK is a Java development kits. So here the inside of JDK we have a JRE and compiler. Yeah, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Inside of JRE we have a class loader and the JVM. The JVM, inside the JVM, we have a JIT, just-in-time compiler, interpreter, and runtime environment. Let's discuss uh, each one. So the first one is JDK. So the basically JDK is a software which is used to compile and run the Java program. It contains Java compiler, JRE, and developments. So the next one is a JRE. JRE is a runtime environment. So basically, JRE is a environment where the bytecode executes. So the Java runtime environment, it is an environment where bytecode executed. It contains class loader, JVM, inbuilt library. Next one is a JVM. JVM stands for a Java virtual machine. It is a virtual machine which is used to execute the bytecodes. So very carefully, JRE is a Java runtime environment where the bytecode execute. But the JVM, it is a virtual machine which is used to execute the bytecode. Basically, it stands for executing the code. And the JRE is a runtime environment. So where the JVM executing their program inside the JRE. So after JVM, we have a JIT. JIT stands for a just-in-time compiler. It is used to increase the performance of the execution. And the next one is a class loader. So it is used to load the class file from secondary storage device to Java runtime environment. Means if you're writing the one program that is a hello world program, okay, and when you are running the program, so what will happen in background? First, the class loader is going to the SSD, means your secondary device where your file is saved. Okay, it will get from there and then going to the JRE environment, and this environment where there your uh, code is execute. That's all about this video. Thank you for That's all about it. Thank you for watching this video. Before you go, just subscribe it and click on the bell icon.